Okay guys, so this is the human network application. Okay, now this human network application is the application built by the human network team. Now this video is basically to explain, or more like to highlight certain things about this project and show you why you should be on the project. Now the human network is building a revolutionary global identity management system. Okay, if I should put it like that. Okay, now what that means is that the project they are coming up with, the problem it will solve in society is to ensure that people's identity are one on a global scale. So it's more like building a digital identity for everybody in the world, okay, who has access to internet and digital systems. Okay, so with that, and if you look very well with what I just explained now, you will notice it is in cohesion with, it is in agreement with Web3 that we are into now. Okay, so everything about Web3 is data privacy, identity, and all that. So this project is in alignment with what the Web3 space is all about. Now, aside from that, you are now able to manage your data yourself, take control of your identity on the internet space, take control of your money, take control of your data. Okay, your data will no longer be used, all those privacy things that we have no control over. People you register with without letting you know, begin to sell your data, sell your digital footprints to the highest bidder without referencing you. All right, this project will address all that. Okay, and from the way I'm looking at it, if it gets the required exposure, this project could very much be used in place of international passport. It has that potential. Okay, that may be, it may sound like an overstatement, but this project has that kind of potential. All right, so that is more like a picture of what the project is about. Okay, so this is the interface, how it looks like. This is the interface. So this is the identity interface. This is where the wallet is to. This is the wallet section. This is identity section here. Okay, and then this is the market where you buy and sell. Okay, then here is where you earn. Okay, and because I have not verified my date of birth. Okay, so I can't earn this 80 human coin. So their coin is called human coin. Okay, so what these guys are building is a blockchain. Okay, and the coin that will run that blockchain is the human coin. Okay, and that is what this application is meant to farm. Okay, they have other coins they're building also, such like look at their coins here. This is the first one, the human coin, and then there's what they call the digital dollar. Okay, and then the human card I'm talking about, which is the ID card. Okay, so I can see that they have something to do with Solana network. I'm not very sure as to why Solana is here, but I'm sure it's a wallet also. So it's a wallet. So there are other projects that they're definitely going to be working very closely with. So, and I believe Solana is part of that project that they're working closely with. So the human coin here, you can send it. Look at the buttons. Normal wallet structure. Okay, this is the digital dollar. It's in process. It's not here yet. Okay, so this is the card. Okay, you can actually sell. From the way I'm looking at it, the sell option will be available for you soon. The more friends you invite. Okay, so that card is definitely going to have a token, I believe. Okay, the card is likely to have a token. So this human card is likely another coin. Okay, so then that's, by the way, this is what is on this interface. So you do not join the network, the ecosystem, without being invited. Okay, so you have to be invited by somebody in the ecosystem before you can be part of the ecosystem. So it's very, very secured. Now, this is the interface where you have the leaderboard. Okay, you have the leaderboard right here. All right, and this is also from this same interface. If you click here on top of there is where you tap, okay, to mine. Okay, tap to start mining. So you just have 250 taps, okay, per time. Okay, and then it will refill again, and then you continue tapping. All right, so once you are verified, you have this verification ticker here. Okay, so now if you click on the passive income tab, you see what inviting people, the chances, what you get. Okay, so you can get 10x boost if you invite people. So then under the leaderboard, this is where you say all here. It means the leaderboard for everybody that is on the system. And then you have your friends, people who are on your team, and then you have your portfolio also. Okay, so this page is majorly where you should more concern yourself about is here at the top there. Okay, and then your coin balance here at the top. Here is where you mine, and then if you go back a bit, this is your coin balance. You keep your eyes on. Okay, then you click on this question mark here. You see more details, advanced details. So it says all the technical and financial specifics you need to understand the platform fully. So this is something you should take your time and go through, read what you can, okay? And then I'll be making more videos on this project because it's a little bit technical in nature. So I need to break it down for you to be able to understand what makes this project a massive project and a very big revolutionary project. So as you can see, a lot of things happening. Okay, so I am going to take time and explain all that. All right. Then outside that, in this project, you have just 5 slots to invite. So each person that you come in by someone's invitation, and then you invite only 5 person to the ecosystem. Okay. Now, it is very advisable that you carefully cherry pick people that you invite, because if you invite unserious people, they're going to waste your invite. Because remember, you have just 5. So, and each invitation you generate is specific to the person you generated it for. Okay, as you are coming into the project, you also notice that you will be asked to allow permission to interact with your contact details. So, whoever you invite is someone you know. Okay, they made it in such a way that it's someone you know who is in your contact list. So even if the person is not in your contact list, maybe you found the person on WhatsApp, you save their number on contact list, because that's the only way you can invite them in this project. If the number is not in your contact list, you cannot invite them. Okay, when you now do that, you can now invite them. I'll show you in another video how to begin the process from start to finish on bringing on onboarding people or inviting people into the project. Okay, and I'll also show you how to farm it and how to mine it, but that will not be on this video. This video is mainly to explain the technicalities of the project to you. Okay, so having said that, ensure you pick people who are serious, because that will help boost your earning. And then I also want to let you know that this project is working with one Telegram project called Cellcoin. Cellcoin, the link to Cellcoin is in the description of this video. Cellcoin is geared to launching their project on the human network blockchain. Okay, as soon as this blockchain is completed and launched, okay, the Cellcoin will launch on the blockchain. Okay, so as even right now, I think there is a linking between Cellcoin and this human network application. So on your Cellcoin in Telegram, there is a link, there's a task that is about linking your Cellcoin to the human network application. So if you've not done that, if you're not, you can go and do it. These two projects are very new, okay, and still very lucrative. Now, that's about that. Okay. So, as I've said, let me just take you to this last tab here. That is the last thing I want to explain to you. If you want to read more about all these things I've said about this human network application, come to this tab, click on about human app right here, where it says about human app. Okay. If you click on it, it will take you to where you have the official website and also show you other links to the official handles where you can read everything I've just said and even the ones I've not said in detail, because trust me, I'm not doing justice to what this project is about. Okay, I'm not doing justice, but if you read them yourself, you understand how in depth and sophisticated and very solution based this project is. Okay, and I can tell you, projects like this launch with very strong value, like not in 0.00s that we used to see. Okay, some of them will launch in $5, $10 per one. Okay, so it's not a project that you should sleep on. Okay, so once you're done, ensure you back up your phrase. Okay, ensure you back them up and keep them safe because you may need them. Should you lose your phone or anything, okay, keep them safe. All right, so that's as soon as I'm done with my verification, I think I have my date of birth to be verified here so that my ID card will pop up here. Okay, and then I'll earn the 80 human coin. So my ID card is supposed to be showing here, but because I am yet to verify my date of birth, okay, my identity card is not in my current location, so I couldn't do that. So, but I'll do that as soon as I get them, and then I'll show you again in probably a subsequent video where how the digital identity card that this project proposes, how it looks like. Okay, so that is that.